Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. My name is Mama Abdul Bisharan. Today, me and my teammates will be presenting on the topic Sustainable Boutique Hotel Retrofitting, a case study on sustainable retrofit works for boutique hotel. For this specific topic, we have chosen one hotel that satisfies all the criteria to become a sustainable boutique hotel. And the hotel that we have chosen is Penaga Hotel in Penang. Penaga Hotel gets its name from Tanjung Penaga, which is the previous name of Penang, where the cave of where the tree grows. This was the original name for the first settlement on Penang, which is where the modern day Georgetown stands today. It is not very uncommon for Malay places to take their name after plants that were found in the specific location. Penaga Hotel was originally a 3-row double-story terrace houses and shop houses built in 1920s and renovated post-war after the World War II. The overall concept of Penaga Hotel was to convert an old building into a fully sustainable boutique hotel that focuses on green aspects of a building. The buildings are old, and this brought up few challenges for designers to design a hotel that satisfies all the criteria to become a green, sustainable boutique hotel. The main aim for Penaga Hotel designers was to convert 15 cluster of pre-war terraces and shop houses that were facing Hotland Lane, Transfer Road and Clark Street into a sustainable boutique hotel while maintaining its heritage characteristic and at the same time fulfill the criteria to become a fully sustainable boutique hotel. The objective of the study are to improve and deepen our knowledge regarding the light retrofittings that were installed in our boutique hotel, and also not to mention to deepen our knowledge on the installation of safety and services systems within a single hotel. Hotel Penaga is situated on the modern days of Georgetown in Penang. As I mentioned earlier, Hotel Penaga gets its name from Tanjung Penaga, which is the previous name for Georgetown. That was named after a tree. Located at the heart of Georgetown, Penaga Hotel is surrounded by many interesting places such as Little India, Lebrock Armenian, where Sun Yat-sen once plotted the revolution of China in 1911. Georgetown population is dominated by the females with very few small differences with males numbers. And this population is mostly the age group of 15 years old to 64 years old. And 94.6% of them are Malaysian nationality. The population of Georgetown was highly dominated by the Chinese with 66% of the total population, followed by the Bumiputras such as the Malays and the other Bumiputras, followed by the Indians and a very small group of the other races. Penaga Hotel started its renovation process to fulfill the green building requirements in 2008 and completed the whole process in just 2 years, which is 2010. This renovation process was led by A.R. Azaidi Abdullah and Mr. Ban Ui Huat from the Penaga Hotel project team from the Hijaz Kasri Associates. Penaga Hotel is owned by the Hijaz Kasri couple of Mr. Hijaz Kasri and his wife, Miss Angela. After 2 years of renovation process, Penaga Hotel was awarded the gold rating by the GBI, or the Green Building Index, which makes the Penaga Hotel the very first renovated building that ever received such award. During the renovation process, Penaga Hotel project team reused and salvaged materials such as the Indian clay tiles, the doors, the windows, and the original building structures. However, before the reusing the old materials, a cleaning process was thoroughly done. 50% of the timber used as the hotel structure are certified compliant with the Forest Stewardship Council and the Malaysian Timber Certification Requirement Council.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I, Wan Muhammad Razik bin Wan Muhammad Sadi, will present the related retrofit lighting at Hotel Penaga Penang. First, light retrofit strategy in Penaga Hotel Penang is using LED bulb. LED is stand for light emitting diode. LED light product produce up to 90% more efficiently than indecent light bulbs. Unlike accident bulb, LED lifetime is established on a prediction of when the light output decrease by 30%. In several respects, LED light varies from incidence and fluorescent. LED light is more effective, flexible, and lasts longer when built well. The most popular brand global are Philips LED, Chip, ASM Pacific Technology, Epister LED, Everlight LED, and Right Hand LED. All light available in Hotel Penaga Penang also using LED. Next strategy is lighting luck level. All brightness of the light installed in the Hotel Penaga is commensurate with the required intelligence. This is because Penaga Hotel focus on the use of lighting luck level. Luck is standardized unit of measurement of light level intensity, which is commonly referred to as illuminance and illumination. One luck is equal to the illumination of 1 meter square surface that is 1 meter from a single candlelight. Lumen are standardized of unit of measurement of total amount of light package or light package produced by the light source, just as a lamp, tube, or LED chip. This total measure light may also be referred to by commercial or industrial lighting engineer as lumen flux. Luck specification will tell you how many lumen you need, give the measure area you are trying to illuminate. This can prevent excess or lag on the Penaga Hotel. The next strategy is use a photosensor. Photosensor is used to control the uses of light. Photosensor is an electronic component that detects the presence of visible light, infrared transmission, IR, and ultraviolet UV energy. Most photosensors consist of semiconductor having a property called conductivity, in which the electricity conduct varies depending on the intensity of radiation striking the material. For the Penaga Hotel, they use a photometric sensor to control the brightness of LED bulbs. LED bulb will reduce the brightness when photosensor detect daylight source from the outside and increase brightness when daylight source are depleted. These sensors are also useful for detect human presence. The lamp will light up when the sensor detect human presence, and the light will go off when there is no human presence. These sensors are great for reduce electricity consumption and prevent waste of energy. The last strategy on the Hotel Penaga is with wide window opening. The source of daylight from outside can illuminate the entry building, and with the help of photosensor, the brightness of lamp can be controlled. The hotel can reduce electricity consumption during the day by taking all advantage of sunlight from outside. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nofarah Diana binti Zainuddin. I want to present about the thermal insulation and water heating. The thermal insulation that Penaga Hotel use is Pickle heat pump system as a thermal insulation alternative. Pickle heat pump system technology is reverse refrigerant technology that reach a high level of temperature and high hot temperature of water and keeping the building's temperature. Other than that, the Pickle heat pump also absorbs the heat from surrounding and raises its usable temperature for heating. More, the principle enables quantity of heat at source to be multiplied several times at no additional cost. The refrigerant that used to pump is R134 refrigerant. It is fully automatic and require a little to minimal maintenance. This system also to generate cold air with no additional cost. For the same amount of water to be heated, the Pickle heat pump system will provide minimum operation and water cost by transferring the surrounding of heat instead of generating heat by electric resistant gas and oil. The water heating in Hotel Penaga using a combination of solar panels is a transfer sweet and eco-friendly hybrid water heating technology. If unlike the water heater, the hybrid water heated technology offer highly efficient heat transfer system that can extract energy from the air to produce hot water without heating element, electric booster, and hermetic compressor. Moreover, the Penaga Hotel also use the SolarMate MMS60 solar panel as a real source of water heating. Solar panel placed on the top of the hotel roof to gain much solar energy and to optimize the usage to do full set. Okay, thank you. That's all for me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Syafiqah binti Jennifer, and I would like to present about the VRV air conditioning system and water consumption. Penaga Hotel uses a VRV air conditioning system as a main air conditioning. The VRV system is a multi-split type air conditioner for commercial building that uses variable refrigerant flow control developed to provide customer with the ability to maintain individual zone control in each room and floor of a building. Besides that, VRV use refrigerant as a cooling and heating medium. The refrigerant is conditioned by a single outdoor conditioning unit and is circulated within the building to multiple fan coil units. VRV systems have a unique ability to extract heat out of area requiring cooling and put it into zones requiring heating. In both 2-pipe and 3-pipe system refrigerant heat recovery, one or more heat recovery units are included between the compressor unit and fan coil unit. The VRV system uses the R410A as a refrigerant. It was developed as an environmentally friendly replacement for R22. Demand for R410A refrigerant and other HFC, which is hydrofluorocarbon, will gradually increase because of its lower environment burden. The water consumption retrofitting for water efficiency at Penaga Hotel various further was created to make sure no wastage of water occur in the hotel. One of the further is raining water harvesting method. The collected rainwater will be used to irrigate the plant and flush toilet. The type of water that has been collected at Penaga Hotel is not potable water and is not suitable for cooking and drinking.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. I'm Muhammad Sharif bin Muhammad Rasad. Now I will explain my topic, which is smart safety, security and auxiliary system retrofitting. Without further ado, let's go. By being in the hospitality industry, security and auxiliary system is a compulsory and important thing. A building with that system surely will be good to be heard by the occupants. They will feel more safe by having it. The management of Penaga Hotel had decided to install CCTV and fire sprinkler system, which will cover the whole building and interiors. The CCTVs were installed at each corridor that covered the occupants' passage and places where it seems to be dangerous. A few CCTV has been installed at the main lobby and some at the main entrance. It will be monitored by at least 2 guards at the same time, while the rest will do the patrol for the whole building area. As for the fire sprinkler system, many of them has been installed at the crooks of the buildings. This is to ensure the safety of the occupants, as it is the hotel's main priority. The hotel used the wet pipe fire sprinkler system where, whenever fire breaks out at a certain place, the heat caused from the fire will trigger the core of the sprinkler that are filled with water, causing it to burst out in order to put out the fire. When the multiple sprinklers are activated, this system will connect to the firefighter department and the firefighter will come for the rescue. This type of system is the common use for almost all types of the building. I think that's all I can explain for my topic. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and very good day to everyone. My name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Effendi. Before I start, I want to say thank you to all my friends for their explanation. Now, let's move to my topic, which is benefit of sustainable retrofit. Let's go. First, benefits of LED. LED lifetime established and prediction of home light output decreased by 30%. LED is more effective, flexible and lasts longer when put. And also, LED is a directional sources. They emit light in a particular direction. It means LED are able to use light energy and more effectively. Second is benefit of photometric sensor. Photometric sensor designed to simulate the response of human visual system and match the spectral response of standard observer. Use photometric sensor an important environmental sustainability technique and it can save energy consumption. For example, the lamp of photometric sensor will turn on if sensing the presence of human and it will turn off again if there is no human present. Thirdly is a benefit of solar panel. Solar panel is energy efficient that help both in reducing cost and wasted of money and energy. For the example, solar panel is 99 photovoltaic and district solar panel. It generates electricity to afford the hotel needs and manage to sell a portion of it to the national grid for extra income. Next is benefit of VRV system. VRV system is energy saving operation. Precise individual control and invented technology to minimize energy consumption to deliver optimum energy saving. VRV system also can be adaptable design. Lastly, is a benefit of flexible layout. Large allowance for piping lengths and levels, the different provide a flexible layout. CCTV are required at each corridors and some place to ensure the security of the hotel check. Install fire sprinkler, increase the readiness to combat any possibility of an arson to place inside the hotel. Wet fire sprinkler system to proven to be beneficial when it comes to ensure occupant safety, and it direct connect to the firefighter department. That's all from me and my friends about sustainable retrofit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.